Here is part 2 of the misrepresentations of evolution. Misrepresentation number 4. There's no way life could have appeared on Earth by chance. Yes, there is, because improbable does not mean impossible. However, billions of years after life began on Earth, it was almost inevitable that humans and chimpanzees would descend from a common ancestor. Well, almost. There was a population of that common ancestor, and that population was threatened by predators, such as lions on the African savanna. This environmental pressure caused a mutation, the directionality of which was random. Indeed, it's the mutation directionality, not the mutation itself, that happens at random. The 3 mutation directionalities are beneficial, harmful, and neutral. However, by pure chance, this population enjoyed a beneficial mutation, which gave them enough intelligence to fight or flee from predators. That is how random and non-random it was for the population to evolve into the human species. Misrepresentation number 5. The evolutionists are trying to strip us of our belief in God. No, evolution does not disprove the existence of God. You can easily believe in both God and evolution at the same time. In fact, you can believe that God created the law of natural selection, which we know as the mechanism behind evolution. There are so many Christians, Jews, and Muslims, deeply religious ones, who believe in evolution. So no, evolutionists are not trying to convert religious people to atheism. If any so-called evolutionist is trying to convert someone to atheism, that endeavor is probably separate from the endeavor of teaching the science of evolution. If you want to convert an atheist to your religion, then go ahead and do so. But please agree with atheists on the theory of evolution, because that is a literal truth that everyone can agree on. Misrepresentation number 6. The theory of evolution teaches that life evolved from microbes all the way to humans, the highest life forms. Evolution is not the process of rising to the top of some hierarchy. There is no hierarchy. All organisms are equal. All organisms are just different. No species is superior or inferior to another. Humans have intelligence because of their specific environmental requirements. Likewise, bacteria are microscopic due to the specific requirements of their own environment. I mean, African elephants have bigger brains than humans, but those elephants don't need to be as intelligent as we are because their environment doesn't require it. They're big enough to take down every predator on the planet, including us. I have inserted into the description below a link to the scientific article that shows us how African elephant brains are much bigger than human brains. I'll finish up on the misrepresentations of evolution in the next Skepticism 101 lecture. For now, join me in History 01 for my final lecture on ancient Mesopotamia.